Do you have a new computer screen? I don't know. What am I doing? Am I being mean? What are you doing? Quit stepping on my feet. I see. You're stepping on my feet. Are you sick?
Yeah.
Oh, no. Are you going to live?
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you just horribly, terribly sick? And you can't go to school, right? I don't think so. Quit.
Stop that.
You stop it.
Stop it.
Are you dying?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey.
Get off of me.
Get back in the screen.
It's not gonna hurt you.
I know you're not, but stop.
Your mom's not gonna hurt you.
I know. You're goofy. Are you tired?
No.
No. But you're sick.
What is it?
Aren't sick people tired?
You sick?
Are you sick?
Yeah.
Do we need to go to the doctor tomorrow?
Oh, shoot it right there.
You want him to take blood?
Yeah. Right there, my arm.
Right there, your arm. You don't want a shot?
Yeah.
Where's the shot go?
There.
No, that's blood. Where does a shot go?
There. Huh?
What is that? Is he eating a coat? Whoa, too close.
Thank you.
Where are you going?
I'm going to get you, Mom.
I don't think so. Should we go get James?
Can you take anyone out with this? Oh, shit.
Hey, watch your mouth.
Oh.
He's no fun, is he?
What?
You're no fun.
What am I supposed to talk about?
I don't know. What? Is he loud?
Just as what?
James is loud?
Oh, it's perfect.
Just as what?
I can't catch you. What are you doing?
What do you know?
You're running, not in the house. You're too close.
No.